The Waqf showdown is expected to escalate in Delhi because there's going to be, remember, in just a short while we hear, a Muslim Law Board anti-Waqf amendment bill stir in New Delhi. So there are possibly the Islamic bodies that are going to come forth on the streets right now, and they are vowing a pan-India protest. Ashutosh Mishra is on the ground updating us on that and more. Ashutosh, good morning. Tell me more about what is the mood like. I already see people are gathering around you. Tell me more about this anti-Waqf amendment bill.
Well, if we don't see the significant strength of the people, but the representation that is coming is from all over the country. So it is not only the Jamiat Ulema Hind, it is not only the Jamaat-e Sangathan and also the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, but the representatives. And in fact, let me take you to these images. The message is that defending Waqf, defending Deen, interference in Waqf, assault on religious freedom. At large message from these religious group and the representatives are that there are certain provisions and the rights that have been ensured by the Constitution and the Waqf law to the Muslim community, and perhaps why they are calling it a Kala Kanun, a black Kanun. And now this message exactly giving a strength. This is exactly a recall moment when I see the CA and the NRC protest, that one major protest goes and the message goes out pan-India, and when they see people hitting the street. But for now it is a symbolic protest at Jantar Mantar, demanding the government first abolish this Kanun, do not bring it, do not make any amendments. The fundamental reason that is being cited by the community, that since it's a religious matter, the rights have been given religiously as per existing Waqf Board law, and if there are some irregularities that can be dealt with the Constitution and the law of the land. However, there have been certain apprehension and certain examples that have been speaking to these clerics, that there are the entire village land claimed by Waqf Board, and there are several such examples. Now the reason and the response that is coming from the community, if there are irregularity, the law of the land can deal with it. But as far as these entire changes and the amendment is concerned, that goes against the fundamental right of the Muslim community, and also involvement of the other members in the Waqf Board, the board that will be formed. Subsequently, the magistrate will have a more say, and that's exactly why I see the representatives from the Muslim community from different parts of the country have come here at Jantar Mantar for a symbolic protest, but the message is going to be larger if the government doesn't listen to these community members and the representatives.
And remember that there's there's been a discussion already that's happened between the Muslim clerics and the government. Eventually, the government is very clear that they will likely be going ahead with amendment bill. So Ashutosh Mishra will be tracking that and getting us more voices. Ashutosh, stay on with me, because as more and more news comes in on this, I have a statement coming in with regard to the Waqf amendment bill. Let's take a look at that. The JPC chief, with regard to the Waqf, has given out a statement slamming this anti-bill stir. Jagdambika Pal has said, Parliament power is being challenged. This is hate-mongering being done by the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. Muslim groups are in Delhi, and they could be planning an anti-India stir on this. Let's listen into Jagdambika Pal.
आज किस बात को लेकर के जब ज्वाइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी की रिपोर्ट 428 पेज की हमने सबमिट कर दी, जो पूरी सत्ता पक्ष प्रतिपक्ष के सभी सदस्यों की राय से जो एक कानून बनाने की प्रक्रिया है, और देश में कानून बनाने का अधिकार चुने हुए जनप्रतिनिधियों को, अब उस कानून के खिलाफ अगर ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड कल देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में जंतर मंतर पे प्रदर्शन करने जा रही है, तो आखिर किस सवाल पे ऐसा अमेंडमेंट के बाद जो एक बेहतर कानून बन करके आएगा और जो ट्रांसपेरेंट ढंग से उसको वाकिफ का जो मंशा होती थी वक्फ करने का, और उस वक्फ का फायदा गरीब, पसमानदा महिलाओं को, खवातीन को, विधवाओं को, बच्चों को, उनके एजुकेशन के लिए, हेल्थ के लिए मिलेगा। अभी आज की तारीख में वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टी से किसी गरीब मुस्लिम को या विधवा महिला बच्चों को क्या फायदा मिल रहा है?
Is joining me for the latest on that. Ashutosh, go ahead, because as we hear here, the JPC chief is also very clear. What does he want?
The government itself is clear that by March 24, as we are hearing tentatively likely when the government is to table the work amendment bill. But here what we see, look at these images at Jantar Mantar. The protest has begun by the Muslim Personal Law Board and the different members of the Muslim community and their representatives. So that's a massive showdown with the banner, posters, calling it a black bill, a kala bill, and hands-off work. So these are the message coming from the Muslim community members. The protest has started at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, giving a message and a call to the government that this is the time that when there could be a rethinking as far as amendment in the Waqf board bill is concerned. But the government has made stand quite clear. So the message that goes one thing, that whether it is going to be symbolic or it is going to break pan-India as far as the protest by the community is concerned. Because the government, during the citation and during the different deliberation, several issues were taken up, particularly as we have seen recently from the BJP and the other outfit and the organization, that how Waqf has been claiming several lands belonging to the personals, to the individuals. So there are irregularities, cases also being reported on the Waqf properties. Now the community says if there are irregularities, that can be dealt by the law of the land. File an FIR, let there be an investigation. But why interfere in the religious issue? When they say the Waqf board was formed under the religious body, the land which is traditionally has been given from their ancestor to the next generation, and all these properties are being used for the social cause, whether there are schools are formed, whether it is made for to the hospitals. But all these deliberations, the arguments have been already been seen before the JPC and the several other representatives during these deliberations. The law is set to be passed, but now we see a showdown at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, a protest call, massive show strength by the Muslim community with the banner, posters, messaging, and top clerics, the religious leaders who are here, who will be deliberating, who will rather giving call on this. So who all are here? There is Maulana Khalid Saifullah Rahmani, who is the chairperson of All India Muslim Personal Law Board. There is Sayyid Qasim Rasool Ilyas, who is the leader of the Personal Law Board. There is the Jamaat-e-Islami leader, Sayyid Sadatullah Hussaini. So all these leaders, and along with, of course, several different outfit ahead who are here in the Jantar Mantar giving this showdown against this Waqf board law amendment.
Ashutosh, keep tracking all the latest on that. These are protests on the ground, while the JPC chief has said this is the parliament power. Already discussions that have been on is being questioned.